On Monday, Libya's Tripoli-based top prosecutor said that a Libyan court sentenced 17 former members of the Islamic State group to death. According to the statement by the country's Tripoli-based top prosecutor, the death sentences were given out to those convicted of participating in the killing of 53 people in the western city of Sabratha and destruction of public properties. Another 16 militants were given prison sentences, 2 of them for life. The court did not specify when the sentences would be carried out. Libya is factionalized between two rival administrations after years of civil war. The divide between authorities in the capital of Tripoli and eastern Libya has led to widespread lawlessness. Militia groups have also gathered vast amount of wealth and power from kidnappings and their control over the country's human trafficking trade. The extremist group augmented strength in Libya after the 2011 uprising that dismantled and later killed longtime ruler Muammar Gaddafi. IS militants first seized Darna in 2014 and then later Sirte and areas surrounding the city of Sabratha. However, unlike Syria and Iraq, IS was unable to profit from chaos and take large swathes of Libya. Instead, the group was limited to only administrative pockets spread across the oil-rich North African country, unable to gain supremacy over Libya's numerous well-armed militia forces tightly bound by tribal loyalties. Several IS training camps were located outside Sabratha. In early 2016, some 700 of its fighters, most of whom were Tunisian, were based in the area. In March of 2016, affiliates of the group temporarily took over the city's security headquarters and beheaded 12 Libyan security officials before using the headless corpses to block nearby roads. Sirte's central Martyrs Square was transformed by IS into a stage for public extrajudicial killings, including beheadings by a sword for a wide variety of offences. In April of 2016, near the height of its power, the US military experts estimated that the Libyan branch of the militant group had recruited around 6,000 fighters. IS was eradicated from its main stronghold, the coastal city of Sirte, in late 2016, and they then fled inland. However, the militants maintained a limited presence in small pockets of the country, including the area surrounding Sabratha. In February of 2016, the United States carried out an airstrike on an IS training camp near Sabratha, killing at least 40 people as part of its effort to eradicate the Islamic State.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.